During the initial processing of your claim, the Department of Economic Opportunity conducts several reviews of your eligibility for benefits. If DEO needs more information, they'll contact you. Fact-finding questionnaires are generated after a non-monetary issue has been identified and DEO needs additional information. Once you are logged in to Connect, select Claimant Inbox to view or search correspondence. Click the link under Issue Date on the Fact-Finding Action item to see the detail for that item. Complete the Fact-Finding Action item by entering information into all of the blank fields. Select the checkbox next to the certification statement if you agree. Click Submit to submit the fact-finding questionnaire. Please note that you can upload documents to attach to the fact-finding questionnaire, and you can also mail or fax documents to DEO. Be sure to complete any requests for information as soon as possible to avoid any delays in determining your eligibility. Any correspondence received by mail can be completed online. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.